welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. I am super excited. As you can see from the title down below, today we are going to be unboxing our August 2019 Thrift Bag. Yes, that is right, August. What? August, crazy. This is absolutely one of my favorite subscriptions. For those of you that do not know what Thrift-A-Bag is, it is a monthly subscription where you receive 3 new or pre-owned handbags, wallets. It could be a variety of items, and they are always so beautiful and in just like immaculate condition. And they have, the lady that owns this and runs this does this by herself. She does an amazing job. The bags are just immaculate, you guys. Like, if you've been here, you've seen, you know. So I'll go a little more into detail about that in just a moment. I do want to say it is $45 a month. So if you really think about it, you're paying essentially $15 per bag or item, because sometimes, like I said, you may get a wallet or something, and you just cannot beat that. I think that is a phenomenal deal, especially for the brands that are in this box. So I do also want to let you guys know that now there is a bi-monthly and quarterly option for Thrift-A-Bag. So that is awesome. I do have a coupon code that I will put down below, as well as a link to get you over to Thrift-A-Bag if you'd like to check it out. The coupon code will save you $5. So definitely head over if you love purses and handbags and wallets and totes and all kinds of good stuff. This subscription is definitely for you. So I do also want to remind you guys, we have our 4,000 subscriber giveaway going on. That link will be down below. We also have 2 other giveaways going on as well. We have the Jeffree Star giveaway, so definitely check that one out. And we have the Snack With Me box giveaway where you could win a free month. So make sure you check those 2 out as well. But like I said, the 4,000 subscriber giveaway is also going on. That's like our really, really big one. That link will be down below. But I have rambled, and let's see what we got for August. Now, I did just go ahead and take my box cutter and cut the box open. I haven't looked, so we are going to do this together and see what we got. So here's our box. And when you open it, it looks like this. There's always a card that will tell you about your items. And then the one thing that I think is so cute and just like the cutest touch and has built up my gift bag collection, she always includes, oh my god, and this one is so cute. She always includes a gift bag. This one is literally like a little purse. This is so cute. So if you know, one of the bags you receive really isn't your taste, or you just want to gift a bag, you can with this bag. So I think that is so awesome. So, and then our items are inside. So I'm going to set this down and we're going to actually take a look here. So this is what I wanted to, I have something on me. It's been a long day. I know this video is going up a little later than usual. It's not long as in bad. It's just been a long day. So a little bit about Thrift-A-Bag. It is a sole proprietorship business. So like I said, she is the only one, the curator of the subscription, does this by herself, and she does an excellent job. My hat is off to her for what she does. Says it started as a hobby for me selling pre-owned handbags on eBay. She's a power seller on eBay, so that should also tell you something. I enjoy thrifting and finding great deals. I'll do my best to accommodate style preference. However, Thrift-A-Bag is more of an element of surprise subscription. You can email her directly if you have any questions or concerns. And her email is ccgoingplaces@yahoo.com. So she does try to kind of style and give you what, you know, your preferences are, but you're not guaranteed that. So don't expect to receive, you know, a Michael Kors, a Coach, or something like that. All of the items be such high-end brands every month, because she does do brand name bags, but she doesn't necessarily do designer brands every month. I mean, I have gotten Michael Kors, I have gotten Coach, you know, I have gotten other things, but don't expect that every month. That's not necessarily something you're going to see all the time. You may see it occasionally, which is fantastic, but you know, some of the brands that she has here, okay, so here's the description. I'll just read it. It says, your box will arrive at your door containing 3 pre-owned or new handbags. Each handbag is handpicked from local thrift stores, then cleaned and curated for you. Now, as far as handbags, it actually could be a combination or variety of totes, clutches, shoulder bags, wallets, cosmetics case, wristlets, backpacks, and more. I actually received a Kate Spade lunch bag or lunch tote in one of my boxes one time. And then the brand names that she has had in bags are Coach, Michael Kors, Betsy Johnson, Calvin Klein, The Sack, Macy's, Kate Spade, Dana Buchman, Dooney and Bourke, Liz Claiborne, Vera Bradley, Guess, Tommy Hilfiger, Nine West, Steve Madden. So the list goes on and on. So you do have the possibility of getting a designer brand, but you're also just going to get some brand names. So don't expect to receive, you know, a Louis Vuitton bag in this box, you know, or all 3 items be Michael Kors, or all 3 items be Coach. So I just kind of want to set your expectations. But like I said, every bag I have ever received has been gorgeous, has been absolutely in like pristine condition. I can't stress that enough. So I just wanted to give you that. And like I said, now she is offering bi-monthly and quarterly subscriptions. Monthly, it is $45 a month. And I will put that link and coupon code down below, but let's see what we got. So the first item on top here, just kind of package everything. I mean, there have been times that even though this is a Thrift-A-Bag, that I've actually gotten all brand new items, which is fantastic. And now this is from Victoria's Secret. Let's see here. You can see the bottom, absolutely no marks or anything. And here you can see that this is like almost like a leathery material, but you see absolutely no marks, no nothing, no stains. It's still the paper. And then there is the inside. Again, I know it's kind of hard to see, but if you look, there is absolutely no stain, no mark, no nothing. Now there are no pockets in this. This I think is gonna be more of a tote. I'm honestly wondering if this is new, because you can see the plastic. I don't know if you guys can see, but the plastic is still on this right here. So let's see what our paper says. Victoria's Secret Metallic Gold Runway Satchel. Now this does say a pre-owned value, so I'm guessing it is pre-owned, but to be pre-owned, it again is in absolutely pristine condition, even down to still having the plastic over the logo right here for Victoria's Secret. So that is amazing. And now let's get to our next item. Ooh, this is pretty. I can already tell that this is gorgeous. And this is brand new because it still has tags. This is 9 West. And this is like a navy blue with some gold. You guys see how gorgeous this is? You can see it still has the tags right here. $79 was the original price of this purse. So you've got a pocket back here, and then when you open it, Okay, so this is adorable. You've got the handles here. This is so cute. So it's not a crossbody. It's like a shoulder bag. That is so cute. You've got the blue here and then the gold. So it all ties together. And then there's even a little 9 West card right there inside. But here's what the inside looks like. You've got a couple little slots right here. So this is super cute. This is great for like a date night when you just need a few little things to take with you. I like the magnetic closure. I think that bar design or detail here on the front, this is just absolutely gorgeous. And it's brand new. Oh, I love this. This is so cute. Isn't it gorgeous? At first I thought it was black, but it is navy blue. So let's see what it says about this guy right here. 9 West Thandy convertible chain shoulder bag. Ooh, awesome. That is so gorgeous. All right, so we have one more item. Oh, and this looks like a little wallet or wristlet. And it's brand new because I can already see a tag. This is pretty. This is from Radley, London. I have not heard of this brand. You can see right there. It's got like a little Scottish terrier. Y'all, this wristlet, first of all, is super gorgeous and like so cute for like fall. I mean, fall is right around the corner. $148. What? Like, oh my gosh. Oh, okay, so I like this. It's got like quite a few compartments in it. You got a compartment here, then here, and then you got this separator here, and then here you've got a compartment for all of your cards. There is no coin slot, but if you're just using it kind of as a clutch, again, for date night or something, this is gorgeous. So that's the front side. It's got the little Radley London tag there. And then this is the back. So it's a continual design. That is so gorgeous. And $148. I have not heard of this brand. If you have, let me know down below. All I know is it feels so soft and amazing. It is gorgeous. Obviously, it is brand new. So this is, oh, I love this. So gorgeous. So we have that right there. Let's see. Radley London Clifton metallic striped leather wallet / wristlet. Oh, it is so beautiful. And then we have the brand new 9 West shoulder bag. Again, this is so cute. You just go like this, throw it on. Well, let me get them together. There we go. You throw it on and you go. It's perfect for date night. Absolutely stunning. Again, brand new. And then the Victoria's Secret, what did they Satchel, Runway satchel. So this is a great, you can actually use this as like a tote if you wanted to. And it is super pretty. And the one thing I also like about her bags, not only do they look amazing, but like there's no funky smell. Like there's really not even a smell at all. I mean, if anything, it's maybe like a cotton smell or, you know, just, they all kind of have that new purse smell, you know, like you love new car scent. So not Kate Spade, Victoria's Secret satchel, the 9 West shoulder bag, and that gorgeous wallet wristlet from Radley London. Let me know down below what you guys thought. I thought this was an amazing month. I think the variety is great. And in fact, if you wanted, you could use these together. How cute would that be? So again, let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you all have an amazing day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.